Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols from Unit 11 Hydroxy Compounds and Ethers. IUPAC nomenclature. We have already learned about naming the organic compounds according to IUPAC guidelines in 11th standard. Let us recall the basic rules to name the alcohols. The first one is select the longest continuous chain of carbon atoms. So that is root word containing the functional group. So alcohol functional group is OH. So here OH is alcohol functional group. The number of carbon atoms in the chain so that the carbon bearing the OH group has the lowest possible number. And then third step, name the substituent. So if any. And fourth one, write the name of the alcohols as below. The first one is prefix. So prefix means substituents. Next one is root word. Root word means longest chain. And next one is primary suffix, that is saturation or unsaturation. And the next one is secondary suffix. So here alcohol secondary suffix is OL. Okay, let us see the example. The first one, compound, and I give IUPAC name, prefix with position number, root word and root used, primary suffix and secondary suffix. So here I give one of the structural formula. So I take isopropyl alcohol. The formula for isopropyl alcohol is CH3 CHOH. Here another one carbon. So carbon valency is 4. So here hydrogen 3 times. So this is isopropyl alcohol. So first I write root used. So first we count number of carbon. So here how many carbon is present? First carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So totally 3 carbon is present. So only 1 carbon mean meth, 2 mean eth, 3 mean prop, 4 mean but, 5 mean pent, and 6 mean hex. So methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane. So here totally 3 carbon is present. So here the root used is prop because 4 carbon is present. So prop. So that is the root used. And the next one is primary suffix. So primary suffix, everything is single bond. So single bond represent ane. Double bond mean ene. Triple bond mean ine. So here everything is single bond. So I take ane. So propane. And next one, what is present here? Secondary suffix. So secondary suffix is all. So ON. So this all is, so OH functional group is present in second carbon. So I take 2 all. So here when we write this compound, you have to take E and add 2 all. So what is the IUPAC name for this compound? Propane, that is prop, ane, bond, 2 all or 2 propanol. So that is the IUPAC name for this compound. So this is isopropyl alcohol, that is the common name. IUPAC name is propane 2 all or 2 propanol. That's all. And next example is tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol formula is carbon, here CH3, here also CH3, CH3, OH. So primary, secondary, tertiary. 3 methyl group is present here. So this is tertiary. So number of carbon is 4. So tertiary butyl alcohol. So this is the common name. So now I write the IUPAC name for this compound. So first we put the number. So we take a long chain of carbon. So here I put number 1. So here number 2. Here number 3. Okay. So first we calculate. So we see in second carbon, which one is present? Methyl group. CH3 means that is methyl group. So in second carbon, methyl group is present here. So prefix with position number, in second carbon, methyl group is present. So 2 methyl. So this is the first step. Okay. And what is remaining? So already we write this one. So remaining totally 3 carbon is present. 3 carbon present means that is propane. So propane. Okay. And then this is root used prop. And next one is ane. So ane means that is the primary suffix. Okay. And then secondary suffix. So secondary suffix means any functional group is present here. Yes. OH is the functional group. So OH means that is alcohol group. So alcohol secondary suffix is OL. So here we remove E and add OA. So what is the position of OH? So here OH is attached in second carbon. So second carbon means so 2R. So here tertiary butyl alcohol, IUPAC name is 2-methyl propane 2R or 2-methyl 2-propanol. Next example is neopentyl alcohol. So neopentyl alcohol formula carbon CH3, here also CH3, here CH3, here CH2, here OH. Okay, so this is neopentyl alcohol because 5 carbon is present, so 5 carbon mean pent. So neopentyl alcohol, that is the common name. Okay. So now we write the IUPAC name. First we take a long carbon chain. So this is a long carbon chain. So I take here put number 1, 2 and 3. Okay. And remaining here one methyl group, here another one methyl group. So totally 2 methyl group is present here. 2 methyl group are present in second carbon only. So 2, 2. So here methyl group is present in second carbon and here also methyl group is present in second carbon. So 2, 2. So totally 2 methyl present mean 2 mean di. So dimethyl. So this is main thing. So that is the prefix with number position 2, 2 dimethyl. And next one root used and then primary suffix and then secondary suffix. Okay. So primary suffix, so methyl we are taken 2, 2 dimethyl and primary suffix. So remaining carbon is 3 carbon is present. So 3 carbon means that is propane. So propane. Okay. What is the functional group is present here? Alcohol is the functional groups. So that is secondary suffix. Alcohol present means the secondary suffix is OL. So all. Okay. So OH is present in first carbon. So you take remove E and add 1 all. So how to write this one? 2, 2 dimethyl propane 1 all. So this is the IUPAC name for neopentyl alcohol. Okay, and the next example is isobutyl alcohol. Okay, isobutyl alcohol formula 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon present means that is but. Okay, so here alcohol is the functional group OH. Okay, so now we fill the hydrogen. So carbon valency is 4. So here 2 bond is present. So remaining CH2. So here 1, 2, 3 bond is present. So remaining only 1 hydrogen because carbon valency is 4. And then here hydrogen 3 times. And here only 1 bond is present. So remaining hydrogen 3 times. So this is isobutyl alcohol. So isobutyl alcohol is the common name. Okay. And then we calculate the IUPAC name. So first we put the number for long carbon, long chain carbon. First carbon, second carbon and then third carbon. Okay. In second carbon, which one is substituted here? Methyl group is substituted. So I take methyl. So 2-methyl. Okay. What is root used? So here number of carbon is 3 times. So here the root is propane. And then primary suffix and secondary suffix. So primary suffix root is prop. primary suffix is "ane" because everything is single bond, and next one is secondary suffix. So alcohol is the functional group. Alcohol functional group means OL. So here we remove E and add OL. So alcohol is present in first carbon, so 1-ol. So what is the IUPAC name for this compound? 2-methyl-propane-1-ol. So that's all. So how to write this one? 2-methyl-propane-1-ol. Okay. And then see the next one. Benzyl alcohol. So benzyl alcohol formula. Okay, in a benzene structure, so this is a benzene structure. So here CH2 OH present means that is benzyl alcohol. Okay, so benzene structure name is phenyl group. So phenyl. Okay, so here only one carbon is present. So what is the root? Meth. Okay, and then alcohol group is present here. So single bond is present here. So ane. So here the suffix is OH. So OH mean all. So OL only. So remove E and add all. So here this compound name is, IUPAC name for benzyl alcohol is phenyl methanol. So how to write this one? Phenyl meth AN and here OL. Okay students, that's all for IUPAC nomenclatures of alcohols. Thank you.